Freelancing is a perfect job for you if you are an introvert. And today we are counting down the top 5 freelancing job ideal for introverts. Whether you prefer working in solitude or from the comfort of your own space, this list is designed just for you. So let's dive in and start from number 5. Welcome to our channel. And before I start with the countdown to the top 5 freelancing jobs ideal for introverts like me, let me tell you a little bit about being an introvert. Introverts are individuals who tend to recharge in solitude. They find their energy drained by being in large social gatherings and often feel more comfortable in quieter, one-on-one situations. I strongly believe that this is why freelancing offers them a path to a fulfilling career that aligns with their unique strengths. So, let's start our countdown from number 5. Kicking off our list at number 5 is content writing. If you are an introvert and you've got a way with words, this gig is perfect for you. Content writers craft blog posts, articles, and other written materials for websites and businesses. It's a job that allows you to work independently and delivers quality content to your clients. Coming in at number 4, we have virtual assistants. If you're an introvert who's highly organized and efficient, this is your domain. In case you don't know what virtual assistants do, VAs, as they are popularly called, provide administrative support, managing emails, schedules, and various tasks for clients. This work can typically be done remotely, making it a great fit for introverts. The third spot goes to graphic design. For introverts with a creative flair, this is the perfect gig. Graphic designers create logos, visuals, and design elements for clients. Communication mostly happens through emails and online tools, so this allows them to focus on their creative work independently. Coming in at number 2 is web development. If you are tech savvy and enjoy coding, and even actually these days, if you don't enjoy so much of coding, this field is ideal. Web developers build and maintain websites for clients, often working independently to solve complex problems. It's a role that introverts can excel in due to its solitary nature. And here we are at number 1, the top freelancing job for introverts: social media management. Introverts who are strategic thinkers and enjoy managing online content can thrive in this role. Social media managers help businesses and influencers maintain their online presence, and much of the work can be done remotely with minimal face-to-face interaction. Now that we've counted down from 5 to 1, it's time to discuss how to get started in freelancing. Begin by identifying your skills and passions. Create a strong online portfolio or resume, and then join freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and even LinkedIn. Start bidding on relevant projects. Gradually build your client base, and then don't forget to ask for reviews and referrals. In conclusion, freelancing provides fantastic opportunities for introverts to build successful independent careers. Whether you are a writer, virtual assistant, graphic designer, web developer, or social media management, there's a freelancing job tailored for you. Embrace your introverted strengths, work on your terms, and excel in the world of freelancing. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more relevant content. If you have any questions or want to share your freelancing experiences, please leave a comment below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, introverted freelancers, keep thriving in your freelancing journey.